how to add uTorrent extension on Chrome. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So you can just simply click on this icon from Chrome and click on manage extensions and then go to the Chrome web store, or you can just simply search for Chrome extension from the search bar, Google search bar, and click on enter and go to the extensions Chrome web store. So after that you have to just search for the uTorrent from here. After that you have to just click on enter, and as you can see, this is the official Chrome extension for uTorrent. You just have to simply click on here and click on add to Chrome, and you have to give the permission like add extension, and it will automatically now download it and installed as an extension to your extension folder. As you can see, by clicking on here on the extension folder, the uTorrent client has been added. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.